If you're designing with Revit and rendering with Enscape, your visuals are already impressive, but turning them into an immersive, client-ready VR presentation, that's where Yulio Jump takes over. It's fast and with tools you already know. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to go from Enscape renders to a complete Yulio VR experience in a few simple steps. Start by opening Enscape and setting up the views you want to include in your VR project. Once you're happy with them, use Enscape's batch rendering feature to export multiple panoramas at once. One important note is that Yulio supports both mono and stereoscopic renders, but stereoscopic gives you a more immersive VR experience. Be sure to select stereo panorama in Enscape's render settings for best results. Rendering speed will depend on your hardware and the quality setting you choose. Higher quality renders take longer, but the difference in quality and realism in VR is worth it. Next, we're gonna switch to the Yulio Jump tab in Revit. Instead of rendering through Yulio, we're gonna choose Enscape Panoramics. This option lets you use the Enscape panoramas you just rendered. Now we're gonna select the Enscape panorama files that we saved earlier and match each file to the corresponding view that we want to show in our VR presentation. Yulio Jump will automatically generate navigation hotspots between scenes and a floor plan view to orient your client. Make sure to upload your 2D floor plan if available. This improves the orientation during the headset use and allows a better spatial navigation. Also, enable the Add Navigation Hotspots option. This allows Yulio to place navigation hotspots automatically between your selected views. Once your scenes and floor plan are selected, upload the project to your Yulio folder. If you are using a VR headset like MetaQuest, you can send the project directly to the device from this interface. You can simply click Send to Headset, no cables or side loading required. Now your Enscape scenes are live in Yulio. In headset mode, your client can navigate via hotspots that only appear in their field of view, keeping the movement intuitive. The auto-generated floor plans allows for easily location-based jumping between scenes, and you can see how easily that is. Everything is preset, clean, and ready to experience with zero technical setup on your end.